Question hook: ever wondered if you can add your Apple Card to Rocket Money? It's a common question, especially if you're looking to track your spending and manage your finances effectively. In this video, we'll dive deep into the compatibility of Apple Card with Rocket Money. Understanding Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a personal finance app designed to help you save money by canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating bills, and tracking your spending. It's a popular choice for people looking to streamline their finances. Key features: subscription cancellation automatically identifies and cancels unwanted subscriptions. Bill negotiation helps you negotiate better deals with your service providers. Spending tracking tracks your spending across various categories. Credit score monitoring provides insights into your credit score. Apple Card and its features. What is Apple Card? Apple Card is a titanium credit card issued by Goldman Sachs and designed to work seamlessly with Apple devices. It offers a range of features, including daily cash, earn cash back on every purchase. Apple Pay, contactless payments for convenience and security. Personalized insights, get insights into your spending habits. Compatibility, can you add Apple Card to Rocket Money? The short answer, yes, you can add your Apple Card to Rocket Money. The app is compatible with a wide range of credit cards, including Apple Card. How to add Apple Card. Open Rocket Money, launch the Rocket Money app on your device. Add card, tap on the Add Card button and enter your Apple Card details. Verify, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Benefits of adding Apple Card. Comprehensive tracking, track your Apple Card spending alongside other accounts. Subscription management, identify and cancel any unwanted subscriptions related to Apple services. Bill negotiation, potentially negotiate better deals for services like Apple TV Plus or Apple Music. Additional tips. Maximize your savings. Set spending limits, use Rocket Money to set spending limits for various categories. Identify recurring charges, regularly review your transactions to identify any recurring charges that you may no longer need. Take advantage of cashback, earn daily cash on your Apple Card purchases, and track your rewards in Rocket Money. Troubleshooting. Common issues. If you encounter any issues when adding your Apple Card, try these troubleshooting steps. Check card details, ensure that you have entered the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. Update app, make sure you have the latest version of the Rocket Money app installed. Contact support, if the issue persists, reach out to Rocket Money's customer support for assistance. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, you can definitely add your Apple Card to Rocket Money. This allows you to track your spending, manage subscriptions, and potentially negotiate better deals for Apple-related services. Call to action. If you're looking to streamline your finances and get more out of your Apple Card, consider giving Rocket Money a try. It's a powerful tool that can help you save money and take control of your financial situation. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about adding your Apple Card to Rocket Money or using the app effectively, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.